Welcome back! Today we will watch and listen closely to the animals and then practice speaking about them. Cat. This is a cat. Cock. This is a cock.
Cow. This is a cow. Camel. This is a camel.
Dog. This is a dog.
Goat. This is a goat. Horse. This is a horse. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Sheep. This is a sheep. Elephant. This is an elephant. Lion. This is a lion.
Tiger. This is a tiger.
Deer. This is a deer. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Lesson review.
Rabbit. Cock. Goat. Horse. Dog.
Deer.
Cow.
Tiger.
Lion. Thanks for watching!